Hi, thanks very much for showing an interest in my DoodleDeck app. I just want to take a minute of your time to very quickly show you how it works. When you launch the app for the first time, it'll ask you if you want to install it. I'd suggest doing that because it means it'll always be there as an app on your phone. Tap on the app. The quickest way to get started is to continue as a guest down at the bottom here. Tap that. Up the top here, you can choose from a selection of prompt cards to draw from. We're going to use Korp cards today. When you're in that section, tap on Generate Prompts, and it will give you your first character to draw. This is a nice, easy one, so go and grab a fine liner pen. Give yourself a base for this character to grow out from, and it's a zombie kind of sausage shape. So let's draw that zombie sausage shape and put in those two arms. After that, you'll tap on the screen and it will take you to another card where you've got a face that you can use. So with that same pen, let's go and put in that face. This is one of the more complicated faces. There's loads of simpler ones. We've got a couple of eyes, a couple of wrinkles, a little nose, a mouth, and a couple of teeth down the bottom there. Once you've done that, click on it one more time and it will give you some texture for you to put on your character. So let's go and put on these little bubbles all over the place. Nothing too complicated, nice and simple, and that's it. You'll roll again, it will give you another character to draw, and you'll tap through until you've finished each one. Just keep on repeating that, and eventually you'll get to a point where you've filled your entire page with doodles looking something like that. It's as easy as that. Have fun with the app. If you get stuck, find one of those emails that I've sent you and hit reply, and I'll help you out as best I can.